Hi, welcome to the BECBC Shadow Board podcast. Today I am joined with the award winners for Highly Commended of the Collaboration Award. So yeah, over to you guys if you want to introduce yourselves.
All right, so I'm Saunders. I'm Managing Director of Bendels Engineering in Callum.
Morning, I'm Callum. I'm the Operations Director at West Cumberland Engineering, who are part of the Cumbria Manufacturing Alliance, along with Bendel Engineering.
So can you tell me more about the Cumbria Manufacturing Alliance and what you guys do?
Yeah, well, basically, the Cumbria Manufacturing Alliance was set up to bid a contract called the 63 element rack. So Bendels and West Cumbria Engineering joined an alliance to take on this particular contract. By working closely together, we decided we would be able to maintain the delivery scope that the client was looking for. So what we did was got together, we decided who could do what effectively, and from then we've moved on, and we're actually now into the manufacturing phase.
I can see why you guys obviously were highly commended, but can you tell me any of your tips and what's really worked for you and why you are deserving of the Highly Commended Award?
I think West Cumbria Engineering and Bendels probably have been competitors, so to speak, for quite a number of years, especially for work coming out of Sellafield. I think the way that it's worked is by us having the grown-up conversations and deciding, that we are better working together rather than competing against each other. I think the skills that we have across the two businesses complement each other, and that's why we decided that by coming together and forming this alliance was a good thing. So moving on from there, obviously, we believe the skills in Cumbria, especially delivering it into the civil nuclear sector, is quite wide and very experienced in a lot of different areas. So having spoken, both businesses had a conversation to decide, what better than to try and bring in other businesses in Cumbria to bid other work. Looking forward, looking into the future, we believe that by bringing the businesses, various businesses in the county together, we can compete against the big boys, so to speak. We can offer value for money and expertise to bid not only for Sellafield, but probably the wider UK civil nuclear industry.
Yeah, that's really impressive. And it's really interesting to hear you, say that you were competitors, and then, but you've realised that you are stronger together. Were there any hurdles when you first started out, or?
I would say it's probably changing people's behaviours to take away that looking at one another as competitors and having the joint venture. That's probably been the hardest hurdle, I would say. Sean, would you agree?
Absolutely.
But everybody within the team, there's been a lot of work done, a lot of team building, and it actually is true collaboration now. So I think we've overcome them, and winning the award, it's highlighting that it is successful.
Yeah, definitely. And it's almost like a path to success for other businesses to look to you guys to see how you are working together. So yeah, I think you're doing Cumbria proud, and hopefully that will, be shown to the wider UK, as you say. Yeah. Is there any tips that you would give to people that were looking to do more collaboration or do something that's similar to what you guys have done?
Tips. I mean, that's a good question. I think we are stronger together. There's, when you look at the supply chain in Cumbria, we've started having conversations with other businesses, and we're hoping, that other businesses are going to join us for other bids that might come along. when you look at the workforce that we can put together in the county, we can bring together a manufacturing hub in Cumbria that's probably over 1,000 people strong in various different trade disciplines, and right from design through manufacture to factory acceptance testing, all the NDT, and even to site installation. By coming together, we can deliver a full turnkey solution to our clients. So an individual company will struggle to offer all them tasks. So that's why we need to think a little bit outside the box and work together collaboratively.
Sounds great. I'm definitely feeling inspired to see how I can collaborate, and thank you very much for your time this morning. Look forward to seeing where you go next and what you do with this. Congratulations on winning the award, and it was great to speak to you today.
Thank you very much.